Okay, this is for the people who want to throw things into trigger areas and then not have to deal with them again. So I'll just demonstrate this in this particular example. So let's just remember that this is the red-blue puzzle scene, and essentially the way it originally works is if we put the red key into the red keyhole and then the blue key into the blue keyhole, the yellow key drops into the yellow keyhole and it opens that door. Now, I guess one issue with this, it depends on your design, is that the keys are still usable even after you've used them. So if you're making a game where you have a limited number of these, it might be considered cheating to have a key be usable forever and ever and ever, even after you've used it once. So here's a solution. What we can do is we can go to the interaction trigger that consumes the red key and then click on this tick box here. It says delete on enter, and essentially what that does is it just gets rid of the particular object that we want to get rid of once we've used it. So just demonstrating, we didn't do that change to the blue key, so you can see that it just works like that. But if we have a look at the red key and we drop it into the red keyhole, it disappears. We don't have a red key anymore. So just really just as simple as that. Just a bit of a reminder, this isn't really about the filtering now, but this is more about the movable objects. If you want these objects to be throwable, like because right now we're just dropping it, maybe you have another design where you need it to be throwable, then what you do is you just go to the movable script and then add a value into the throw force. The reason why it just drops to the ground is because the throw force was 0. If we would make that 5, this red box will now be thrown when we get rid of it. So, but it still disappears when it hits the red keyhole. That's what we're calling right now, but obviously it's a trigger area. Okay, that's pretty much it.